Okay, so I finished the install. As you can see, my closure is at the top. This doesn't mean anything. It just comes in your face. So instead of, I need to see, and I kind of know where I want my side to be, so I am just pinning that to the side. Now, a lot of people would just like this style. As for me, I think it looks like Ronald McDonald. To cut it, you just want to tilt to the side. Let's go back some. You just want to tilt to the side and you want to shape it. You really don't want to cut it. You just want to shape it so it can have body at an angle. If it's too long, you want to get a shorter length hair. I do not believe in buying 12-inch hair and then cutting it to be 8 inches, unless that's all they have. And if that's all they have, you need to be negotiating any damn way, because that's not your fault that that's all they have, and they need to be giving it to you for an 8-inch price. That's what I make them do. I'll go in there, and if I know I want to just do a bob, and I want some real nice hair, and I tell them, I want 10 inches, and they say, all we have is 14. Well, you need to give me that 14 at a 10-inch price, because either I'm going to walk out here and just go find it somewhere else, or you're just going to miss out on 70, maybe 80% of the natural profit that they could have got off the other one. So anywho, so I'm just cutting and shaping. I don't want to cut too much. I'm just really shaping it to have that layer that I want. Of course, I'm going to cut this. Now this I am going to cut because you want that look. Okay? So what I'm doing is I'm just pulling it out. And I love to cut curly hair because it doesn't, you can fuck up, excuse me, you can mess up and it won't even matter. It'll just even out because it just curls back up. So I want my face to be out. I don't want hair all in my face. Then you're going to have some long pieces back there. You want to go always at least 2 inches back from your hair, because sometimes when I say 2 inches back from the middle, so like I'm cutting this, you want to keep going so you can at least have that look layered from the back. I don't know the right term. I know it's basic enough for y'all to figure it out though. Okay. Cut this a little more so it can be even, layered. I don't want that many long pieces at the front. And then when you flat iron this, it's going to shapen up even more. Like I say, a lot of people would just like it like this. And it's cute like this, but I like for it to look a little less raggedy and a little less sealy. I know I sound horrible because I'm half sick. And so many of my friends have been asking me to do this video, and I really didn't feel like doing it. But I had to do it anyway because today is Saturday, and if I don't do it today, I wouldn't have went to church tomorrow because I would have been looking crazy. And there's no excuse for that. It only takes like 45 minutes to put this in your head. The only reason why it's taking me longer is because I'm instructing as I'm doing it. So I just figured, kill 2 birds with 1 stone. And hopefully y'all will forgive me for sounding congested. And I'm just adding like layers. That's all I'm doing. Okay. So that's the cut and the final install. I think I'm going to stop it and then come back with the flat iron, because YouTube be tripping when the videos are too long, so I just try to make sure they're real short. And then I like to stop them to give people a chance to cut and do whatever they need to do instead of going straight into another video.